In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play two-player in Cricket 22 PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Playing with two players and sharing the same screen on Cricket 22 is extremely simple. You will be able to do this through the same method on either a PlayStation 4 or a PlayStation 5. All that you have to do is first connect an additional controller. So plug in a second controller to your console. You can usually do this through a cable, so a wired connection by plugging it into any of the available ports on the console, or doing it wirelessly by using the specific combination of buttons. As soon as you connect an additional controller to your PlayStation console, usually there will be a pop-up telling you to assign a user account. This is very important. You can create a custom PlayStation Network profile and assign it to that secondary controller, or just use it as a guest, whatever you prefer. Just make sure that you choose either of those options. Once this is done and you set up the second controller, you will be able to launch Cricket 22, and all that you have to do now is create a local match. So look for offline or local. And when you start the mode, when you are in the team select window, you will be able to assign player 1 and player 2. So all that you have to do now is choose the respective teams and the players. So proceed until you reach the team select window, and once you are on team select, you will be able to customize the teams for player 1 and player 2. And you will notice that you can even have up to 4 players on the same platform. So if you want to, you can connect 2 additional controllers and you will be able to set them up accordingly. It is super simple to do, and both of you will be able to share the same screen on Cricket 22. So to keep it simple, just connect an additional controller to any platform, and after this is done, you will be able to create an offline match, and on the team select window, you can assign the controllers accordingly to each player. It is simple to do, and this will work for any platform where you can access Cricket 22. I hope I was able to help you on how to play two-player in Cricket 22, PlayStation 4, or PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.